your boat.
What's Isaiah doing? You gotta cast your rod out. Your bait.
Oh, I caught something.
Whew, that boat smells bad.
Man.
Your bait's supposed to be in the water, kiddo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on.
What
You're gonna get caught up on yourself. Let me see this.
happened?
We're recording. Here, hold the recording.
Okay, let's go see what that boat's up to. Where can I go? Look, Isaiah! Hey! How you doing? Hey! Hey, everyone. Hi, I'm Justin, and welcome back to the Great Show! But we'll be right back after this. Dun, 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 dun.